guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a quick guide for the champion character using the attack speed build, which is best suited for free-to-players to use for monster hunting. Ragnarok Landverse, if you upgrade your hedger to +7, then you will be able to enhance it to obtain random properties. Unfortunately, mine got broken. I could use another hedger until I can create +7, but this guide is for free-to-players with limited resources to do upgrade and enhancements. As free-to-players, you would need to hunt first for these resources before you can do any upgrades and enhancements to your weapon and armor. You will need to do quests daily to obtain adamantine blessings, mining, and join instance dungeon runs. For the Elunium and Oridicon, you will need to hunt for certain monsters. Since we only have limited resources as free-to-players, I recommend you to use the attack speed build, which is very easy to build even with basic and free items and equipments. Okay, let's begin. For the stats build, first max your strength. Then put enough dexterity to raise your hit rate so that your attack will not miss, and lastly, put all your remaining stat points to your agility until you can reach the maximum attack speed, which is 190. As you gain more levels and stat points, max your agility, then put the rest all to dexterity for more hit rate and also faster casting time. Be sure to use your skill buffs like blessing and increase agi when calculating for your hit rate and attack speed. Also consider the bonuses from your weapon and equipment, and speed potions if you want to use them. Now for the skill tree build. For your acolyte skills, obtain the following skills as shown. And for the champion skills, obtain these skills. The remaining skill points is up to you where you want to put them. The reason why I did not get combo finish and chain crush combo is because of the delay. Unfortunately, the botting system in this game is not yet properly developed. That's why using this skill is not recommended, as your bot does not know to use up all spirit spheres first, thus causing a lot of delays. For the equipments, I'm using the Wisdom Timekeeper set, which is free for new players and only available this anniversary event. Same for the shadow equipments, I'm using the anniversary ones with some beginner accessories. And a free title that gives +3 to all stats. Here you can see that the free equipments and title gives very good properties that can even beat some pay-to-win players. Awesome! Lastly and most important is the weapon that I am using is a triple malicious fist, which is made by inserting 3 hunter flay cards to a 3-slot weapon. This will make my character absorbs HP when dealing damage to monsters, thus, omitting the need to use HP potions, and so, I can bot very long on map without going back to town for potions. As you can see, I got +2 attack speed on SV weapon, so be sure to add this your calculation when distributing your stat points. Now let's go try out our attack speed build and have fun. Since I am using wind element weapon, my best farming options are those water element monsters, that's why let's head to Ice Dungeon. You can farm Seroma monster until level 108, and Snowier monster until 113. Make sure to add dexterity to gain the required hit rate so you can damage them. Check out the official website for the monster infos. Okay guys, playing this build is fun and I highly recommend it for use with your auto-player systems. Whether you are a free-to-player or a pay-to-win player, it doesn't matter. This build is both for beginners and advanced players as well. Thanks for watching. See you again next time. God bless.
Never break, always fight, never quit, never die, never gain, never life, have no shame, there's no time for the pain, never grind, never change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win the life. got time to feel like I'm a no life short, so I wanna live real good. How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't crazy. I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I got visions in my head, like memories after death. Just reimagine instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.